In this video, we will show the best semi-automatic washing machines in India 2020. At number 1, Godrej 8 kg semi-automatic top-loading washing machine, overall best pick. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 2, Whirlpool 8 kg washing machine runner-up pick. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 3, LG 7 kg 4-star semi-automatic top-loading washing machine, best build quality. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 4, Samsung 6.5 kg semi-automatic washing machine, feature-rich washing machine. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 5, Panasonic 6.5 kg semi-automatic washing machine, value for money washing machine. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 6, Oneida 6.8 kg semi-automatic washing machine, best budget washing machine. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 7, Intex 7.6 kg semi-automatic top-loading washing machine, honorable mention. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.